Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hiya, and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. I've had a really good response to the 75.1 miles to the gallon round trip of 38 miles. So I thought I'd just spend the time and I would share the route I took and the summary. And the information's come off the My Toyota app, because a lot of you have been asking how much of it was motorway and this kind of stuff. So I thought I'll share the route and I will share the data that came off My Toyota. So here's the video, route data, and I think we'll answer all the questions. Thanks for watching. Please, if you enjoy the video, thumbs up. Please consider subscribing.